and come up on the top of the mat. Body straight line, back straight and tall. Open your full chest, open your full spine. We will do the sun salutation, Surya Namaskar, to warm up the body. Feet together, body straight line. Open your full back, open your full chest. Take a deep breath. Inhale from the abdomen. Exhale, breathe out. Again, inhale. Exhale. Getting ready for the first round. 8 round. Inhale, touch your hand, look down into the knee, look straight, your full chair, go back, drop your body to the mat, exhale, inhale, look up, touch your heel, open your spine, right leg, hip drop, inhale, touch your full hand, exhale, go down, drop your body to the floor, open your chest, look up, touch your heel, open your full spine, left leg, in front, hip drop, open your full chest, exhale, drop your body down to the mat, exhale, shoulder strong, look up, open your chest, and look to the mat, feet in there, open your spine, inhale, 1, strong breathing. 2, more chest open. 3, open your full back. 4, inhale. 5, and exhale. And 6, walk in front. Inhale, look in front. Exhale, drop the head down. Look up. Inhale, hands touch. Exhale, release. Second round. Inhale, breathe in, touch. Exhale, look down 2, open your spine, look straight 3, go back, drop down 4, inhale, open your spine, exhale, go back, right leg, hip dropped, inhale, touch your hand, exhale, drop down slowly, exhale to the mat, inhale, look up, exhale, go back, left leg, hip drop, inhale, touch your hand, go down, exhale, drop your body to the mat, shoulder strong, inhale, push your hips, look back and focus your breathing, look down to the mat. Everyone, inhale, open your chest, exhale, 2, strong breathing, 3, strong exhale, 4, inhale, 5, and exhale, and 6, walk in front, inhale, drop your head, look to the knee, inhale, touch your hands, look up, exhale, release, third round, inhale, touch your hand, look down to the knee, open your head, look from, go back, drop your body to the mat, inhale, shoulder strong, look up, exhale, touch your heel, right leg, step in front, hip drop, hands touch, come down, exhale, drop your body, inhale, shoulder strong, look up, touch your heel, look down, left leg, hip drop, inhale, touch your hands, exhale, go down to the mat, breathe strong, look up, touch your heel, exhale, look down, walk in, look from, look down to the knees, inhale, touch your full hands, look up straight, exhale, release. Fourth round, inhale, touch your hand, look down to the knee, breathe in, look straight, go down, drop your body, inhale, chest open, touch your heel, go back, right leg, hip dropped, inhale, take your hands fully stretched up to the sky, go down, exhale, drop your body, to the mat. Inhale, shoulder strong, look up. Touch your heel, look to the mat. Left leg, hip drop. Inhale, straight hands, go down. Exhale, drop your body to the mat. Open your shoulder, look up straight. Exhale, touch your heel, look down to the mat. Open your chest and breathe in. Inhale, one, strong breathing. Two, open your chest more. Three, exhale. Four, last two breaths. Five, and exhale. Walk in front, look straight, look down to the knee. Inhale, hands touch, look straight. Exhale, release. Four more round. Inhale, touch your hand, look down. Stretch spine, look straight. Inhale, three, go back. Drop your body. Inhale, look up, five, touch heel. Look down, six, right leg. Hip drop, inhale. Hands fully touch, exhale. Drop down to the mat. Exhale, shoulder open. Look up, touch your heel. Exhale, left leg. Hip drop, inhale. Straight hands, go down. Exhale, drop your body to the mat. Look up, shoulder strong. Exhale, and look to the mat. Open your spine, stretch your body. Inhale, one, strong breath. Two, chest open. Three, look down. Four, inhale. Five, last breath. Exhale. Walk in. Look front. Look down. To the knee. Inhale. Hands touch. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Release. Number 6. Inhale. Stretch your hands. Look down. To the knee. Look straight. Inhale. 3. Go back. Exhale. Drop down. To the mat. Chest open. Look up. Go back. Your full chest. Stretch your body. Look down. Right leg. In front. Hip drop. Inhale. Touch your hands. Come down. Exhale. To the mat. Strong shoulder. Inhale. Go back. Touch your heel. Left leg. In front. Hip drop. Hands fully touch. Exhale. Drop down to the mat. Exhale. Shoulder strong. Look up. Push your hips. Exhale. Look down to the mat. Strong breathing. 6 seconds. You need to look down. Inhale. 1. Strong breathing. 2. Look down. 3. Exhale. 4. Inhale. 5. Beautiful. Exhale. And 6. Walk in front. Inhale. Drop your head. Look down. Inhale. Touch your hands. Look up straight to the sky. Exhale. Release. That's wrong. Inhale. Hands touch. Look down. To the knee. Look straight. Inhale. 3. Go back. Drop your body to the mat. Inhale. Hand stretch. Look up. Push your hip. Look down. Right leg. Step in front. Hip drop. Inhale. Touch your hands. Exhale. Drop your body to the mat. Shoulder strong. Look up. Touch your heel. Push your spine. Left leg. In front. Hip drop. Hands touch. Come down. Exhale to the mat. Strong breathing. Open your spine. Look up. Touch your heel. Look down. Open your back. Look at your toe. Inhale. 1. Strong breathing. 2. Take your shoulder more stretch. 3. Look down more. 4. Next side at the back. 5. Put your spine. Exhale. Walk in. Look front. Look down. To the knee. Inhale. Hands touch. Keep the spine straight. Look up. Exhale. Really strong breathing. Last one. Inhale. Hands touch. Look up. 1. Stretch down. 2. Look straight in front. 3. Exhale. Go back. 4. Drop your body. Down. Inhale. Look up. Touch your heel. Look down to the mat. Right leg. Hip drop. Inhale. Touch your hand. Look straight. Exhale. Go down to the floor. Drop your body. Inhale. Shoulder open. Go back. Look at your toes. Left leg. Hip drop. Inhale. Hands fully touch. Exhale. Drop down. Open your spine. Inhale. Look up to the sky. Touch your heel. Go back and stay there for 6 seconds. Inhale. 1. Strong breathing. 2. Chest open. 3. Look down. 4. Legs strong. 5. Active. 6. Body strong. 7. Look down. Excellent. Take a jump or walk. Inhale. Look straight. In front. Take your head. Look down. Inhale. Touch your hand straight up to the sky. Exhale. Take a deep inhale. Focus the breath. Take a deep exhale. Breathe out. Take a deep inhale. Focus the breath. Take a deep exhale. Breathe out. Vinyasa B. Getting ready all. Feet together. Abdomen tight. Bend your knee. 2 more rounds. Stretch up. 1. Look down. To the knee. Look straight. In front. Those who can jump back. Jump back. Exhale. On the hand. Drop your body. Inhale. Shoulder open. Touch your heel. Look down. Step right leg. In front. Hip drop. Hands touch. Left leg. Up. Abdomen tight. Shoulder strong. Open your back. Open your chest. Inhale. 1 knee higher. Exhale. 2. Body strong. 3. Chest open. 4. Inhale. 5. Body strong. 6. Knee more up. Inhale. 7. Exhale. And 8. Leg back. Hip dropped. Inhale. Straight spine. Go down. Exhale. Drop your body to the mat. Shoulder strong. Inhale. Touch your heel. Push your spine. Look down. Left leg. Drop the hip. Inhale. Hands touch. Look up. Right leg up. Abdomen tight. Shoulder strong. Knee higher. Open your chest. Open your shoulder. Inhale. 1. Beautiful. Exhale. 2. Chest open. Knee higher. Exhale. 4. Chest open. 5. Exhale. 6. Body strong. 7. Exhale. And 8. Leg back. Hip drop. Inhale. Hands touch. Look straight. Come down. Chaturanga. Exhale. Drop your body. Shoulder open. Inhale. Look up. Push your hip. Look down. And open your chest. Look to the mat. Everyone, drop the head down. Stand strong on your chest. And push your hip. Inhale. 1. Strong breathing. 2. Hands straight. Legs strong. Look down. 4. Inhale. 5. Little more stretch. 6. Push your spine. 7. Look down. 8. Inhale. Strong abdomen. Exhale. And 10. Jump or walk. In front. Look down. To the knee. Bend your knee. Inhale. Hands touch. Look straight. Chest open. Exhale. Last and final round. Bend your knee. Inhale. Drop the hip. Hands touch. Long breath. Exhale. Long inhale. Open your head. Look front. jump back, long exhale to the hands, open your shoulder. Inhale, touch your heel. Look down, step right leg. In front, hip drop. Inhale, hands touch. Left leg, stretch up. Abdomen tight. Shoulder up, start breathing again. Inhale. 1, abdomen tight, knee up. 2, chest open. 3, body tight. 4, inhale. 5, last breath. Exhale 6, leg back, hip drop. Inhale, touch your hands. Look up, go down. Exhale, chaturanga. Hands strong. Legs strong, slowly come down. Look front, hands straight. Open your chest, go back. Touch your heel, very good. Look through the mat, left leg in front. Hip drop, inhale. Hands touch, right leg. Stretch up, abdomen tight, shoulder strong again. Inhale. 1, abdomen tight. 2, shoulder strong. 3, body stronger. 4, inhale. 5, exhale. 6, little more stretch. 7, exhale. And 8, leg back, hip drop. Inhale, touch your hands. Look up, go down. Chaturanga, drop your body to the mat. Open your full spine. Look up to the sky and push your hip. Go back. Look at your toes. Strong breathing. Abdomen fully tight. 1. Inhale. 2. Strong breathing. 3. Inhale. 4. Chest open. 5. Inhale. 6. Exhale. 7. Breathe strong. 8. Exhale. 9. Inhale. And exhale. And 10. Take a jump. Inhale. Look front. Look down. To the knee. Bend your knee. Inhale. Hands touch. Look up straight. Exhale. Right leg in front. Left leg back. Head strong. Hands strong. Shoulder open. Back open. Right leg. Right leg. Open your hands, open your chest. And right hand to the right knee. And left hand to the ear. Open your spine. Shoulder open. Look up to the sky. Inhale. 1. Strong shoulder. 2. Hand to the ear. 3. Back strong. 4. Inhale. 5. Open your spine. 6. Little more strength. 7. Exhale. 8 and release. Right hand to the right leg and left hand open. Look up to the hand. Inhale. 1. Strong shoulder. 2. Take the chest open. 3. Look to the hand. Straight body. 4. Inhale. 5. Strong breathing. 6. On your full chest. 7. Look up to the hand. Excellent. Slowly look in front. Hips are down. Hands are straight. Look up to the sky. Shoulder open, back open. Hips are strong. Back leg is low. And now take your back leg up and hands strong. Look in front. Inhale. 1, full count. Exhale. 2. Strong breathing. 3. Stand strong. 4. Inhale. 5. Exhale. 6. Inhale. 7. Exhale. And 8. Lift me up again. And catch hold. The left leg with right hand. And look in front. Other hand goes to the waist. Open your chest. Look in front. Inhale. 1. Strong breathing. 2. Stand strong. 3. Open your full leg. 4. Inhale. 5. Exhale. 6. Open your full back. 7. Look straight. Exhale. And chaturanga. Go back. Exhale. Drop your body. Go down. Exhale. To the mat. shoulder open. Look up, push your hips back, look at your toe and heat up the spine. Maintain the heat in your body. Inhale. One, strong shoulder. Two, inhale. Three, exhale. Four, inhale. Five, exhale. Six, inhale. Seven, strong breathing. Exhale. Eight. Again, left leg in front. Strong hands, strong shoulder. Look to the left hand and drop the left hand to the left knee and right hand to the ear. Inhale. One, shoulder strong, look up. Two, chest open, straight hands. Three, look to the sky. Four, hip more down. Five, exhale. Six, keep the hands straight. Seven, look to the sky. Exhale and in. Left hand to the left knee. Left hand to the left knee and right hand to the sky. Open your shoulder, open your full back. Inhale. One, strong breathing. Two, inhale. Three, exhale. Four, inhale. Five, exhale. Six, open your shoulder. Seven, exhale. Eight, and release. Again, look in front. Drop the hip. Down. Inhale. Hand straight. Look up. Yes, Kolka. Take your back leg up and hand strong and look in front. Strong breathing. Open your chest. Open your shoulder. Back leg straight. Look in. Inhale. One. Strong breathing. Two. Chest open. Three. Open your hands more straight. Four. Inhale. Five. Beautiful. Exhale. Six. Inhale. Seven. Exhale. And eight. Take your right leg up. Inhale. And catch hold with the left hand. Look straight in front and shoulders strong. Look straight in front of you. One. Inhale. Very good. Two. Look in front. Three. Balance your body. Four. Body tight. Five. Inhale. Six. Exhale. Stand strong more. Seven. Eight. Exhale. Chaturanga. Go back. Exhale. Drop your body. Come down to the mat. Chest open. Drop your body. Inhale. Look up to the sky. Open your chest. Go back. Touch your heel. Look at it. Stretch your spine little more. Take your head, drop down. Look at your toe. Inhale. One. Strong breathing. Two. Open your spine. Three. Exhale. Four. Last two breaths. Five. Exhale. And six. Right leg in front again. Right leg in front. Hip drop down. Hands open. Chest open. Look up. And left hand to the right leg. And right hand up. Look to the hand. Open your chest. Look up to the hand. Strong breathing. Straight shoulder. Straight hands. Look up to the sky. Inhale. One. Strong breathing. Two. Open your full hands. Three. Look to the sky. Four. Beautiful. Inhale. Five. Exhale. Six. Last two breaths. Seven. Look up. Exhale. And eight. Same leg, same hand. Left hand. Again down. Right leg up. And look up to the right hand on top. Open your chest. Open your shoulder. Open your chest. Open your shoulder. Look up. Inhale. One. Exhale. Two. Open your full chest. Look up. Three. Exhale. Four. Open your full hands. Five. Exhale. Six. More hands straight. Seven. Look up. Exhale. Exhale. Now take your left leg behind to the knee. To the knee. And just open your spine and look up to the sky. Hips are down and hands are straight. Look up to the sky and breathe. Open your shoulder. Push your hip down a little more. Look up to the sky. Inhale. 1. Very good. Exhale. 2. On the toe. Hands open. Look up. Chest open. 5. Inhale. 6. Body tight. Look up more. 7. Open your chest. Exhale. Now left hand behind the right and right hand open your chest. Look up to the sky, everyone. Open your back, open your chest. Inhale. 1. Shoulder open, look up. 2. Open your full back, look up. 3. Your full spine. 4. Back leg straight. 5. Exhale. So slowly come down. Exhale. Drop your body. To the mat. Open your spine. Look up straight. Exhale. Look back to the mat. Open your chest. Look down. Open your full back. Very good. Exhale. Now left leg in front again. Left leg in front. And right hand to the left leg. And left hand open. Look to the hand. And breathe. Chest open. Spine open. Inhale. 1. Straight hand to the floor. 2. Spine open more. 3. Stretch your body. More up. 4. Hand closer. 5. Strong legs. 6. Move the hand straight. 7. Open your chest. Exhale. And 8. Now, take your left hand. Right hand to the left leg. And right leg up. And left hand. Look to the hand. Shoulder open. Back leg open. Now stand strong. Everyone look up. Very good. Inhale. 1. Balance your body. 2. Very good. Look up. 3. Take your shoulder more up. 4. Inhale. 5. Make it straight. 6. Focus the breath. Inhale. 7. Look up. Exhale. 8. Slowly take your leg onto the right leg. Again focus. Don't stretch too much. Just drop the hip and take your hand and look up to the sky. Inhale. 1. Take your hand straight. 2. Open your shoulder. 3. Body tighter. 4. Inhale. 5. Exhale. 6. Body strong. 7. Exhale. Breathe out. 8. Both hands behind the knee in a prayer position. Take your hands and open the chest. Look up to the sky. Inhale. 1. Very good. Exhale. 2. Open your shoulder. 3. Body tighter. 4. Inhale. 5. Exhale. 6. Open your shoulder. 7. Open your spine. 8. Inhale. And release. Chaturanga. Go back. Exhale. Drop your body. Slowly come down. Shoulder open. Open your full back. Look up straight. Everyone, hands more straight. More straight. Look back up. Very good. Touch your heel. Go back. Again. Your spine. Open your leg. Look down to the mat again. Inhale. 1. Strong breathing. 2. Hands strong. 3. Look down. 4. Last 2 breaths. 5. Exhale. 6. Inhale. 7. Strong breathing. Exhale. 8. Now right leg in front again. Right leg in front. Left leg back. And hips drop with your full hands. Shoulder strong. Stretch your spine. Look up to the right hand again. Inhale. 1. Back leg is strong. Hips are down. Exhale. 2. Look to the hand. 3. Push your hips slowly down. 4. Look to the hand. 5. Straight hands. 6. Inhale. 7. Strong breathing. Exhale. 8. Hip drop down. Inhale. Touch your hands and watch to the sky. Look up to the sky. Open your shoulder, open your chest. Hips are down. More. More hips are down. and hands straight. Inhale. 1, strong body. 2, you drop down. 3, your chest more. 4, straight hands. Inhale. 5, exhale. 6, back leg tight. Inhale. 7, exhale. Look up. And 8. Take your hands again. And tricone. Tricone. Right hand down. Left hand up. And look to the hand. Straight cut. Now keep the right hand as much as down you can. Inhale. 1. Straight hands. 2. Shoulders straight. 3. Spine more open. Look up. 4. Inhale. 5. Look to the hand. 6. Inhale. 7. Thank you. Thank you. Exhale. Look up. And 8. Left hand to the ear. Same hand goes to the ear. Very good. Look up to the sky. Inhale. 1. Strong breathing. 2. Chest open. 3. Exhale. 4. Inhale. 5. Strong breathing. 6. Inhale. 7. Exhale. And 8. Chaturanga, go down. Exhale. To the mat. Inhale. Look up. Shoulders strong. To the sky. Touch your heel. Go back. Look at your toe. Strong breathing. Now left leg. Hip drop down. Back leg straight. Your hands. Look to the left. Inhale. 1. Shoulders strong. 2. Hips are down 90 degree. 3. Hands straight. Open your chest. Inhale. 5. Exhale. 6. Open your body. 7. Exhale. And 8. Move your spine. Don't move your leg. Move your spine and touch your hand and open your full back. Look up to the sky. Inhale. 1. Chest open. 2. Your full back. Look up straight. Very good. Hands straight more. 4. Inhale. 5. 6. Inhale. 7. Relax. And 8. Again. Look in front. Inhale. Open your shoulder. Open your spine. Tricone. Left leg to the left hand and right hand to the sky. Everyone, take your shoulders straight. Straight. And reach the hand down. Inhale. 1. Feel the stretch more. 2. Now straighten the hand. 3. Look up more. Knee strong. 4. Inhale. Hands more down. 5. Exhale. 6. Look up to the hand. Inhale. 7. Chest open. Back leg strong. Exhale. And 8. Hand to the ear. Hand to the ear. Shoulder strong. Hand goes down. 1. Exhale. 2. Now chest open. 3. Body strong. 4. Inhale. 5. Exhale. 6. Inhale. 7. Strong breathing. Exhale in it. Chaturanga. Go down. Exhale to the mat. Strong shoulder. Inhale. Look up to the sky. Exhale. Go back. Touch your heel. Look to the mat. Open your back. Look at your toe. Strong breathing. Inhale. 1. Shoulder strong. Push your shoulder more down. 2. Open your back. 3. Exhale. 4. Spine more straight. Hip strong. Exhale. Look down. Leg strong. And 6. Right leg in front. Right leg. Pravanoga. Left hand up. And twist your left hand to the right leg. And right hand up. Look to the hand. Shoulder open. Look up to the sky. Left hand down. And right hand up. Inhale. 1. Left hand down. Ever. Exhale. 2. Shoulder straight. Look up. Open your chest. 4, inhale, 5, exhale, 6, body tighter, 7, look to the hand, exhale, 8. Again, look in front and back leg open. Catch hold the leg, open your spine and leg up, up, hand stretch, look in front. Inhale, 1, strong breathing, 2, now stand straight, focus the body, 3, chest open, 4, inhale, 5, strong breathing, 6, last breath, hands straight, exhale, and 8, reach down slowly, 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 and look up to the sky. Open your spine, open your chest, look up and to the sky. Slowly come down and try to look up, everyone. Look up to the sky. Open your shoulder back straight. Inhale. 1, strong shoulder. 2, inhale. 3, body tight. 4, inhale. 5, exhale. And 6. Left leg again. Left leg back, right leg in. Inhale. Left hand open and hands open. Open your chest. Hands open. Look straight to the sky again. Down leg strong, upper leg strong. And balance your body. Look up. Inhale. 1, control the down leg. Exhale. 2, more hands straight. 3, chest open. Focus. 4, inhale. 5, last, exhale. Breathe out. And 6. Now touch your hand. Slowly. Down. Slowly. Inhale. 1, strong breathing. 2, chest open. 3, look down. 4, inhale. 5, exhale. 6, back stretch. 7, look down. Exhale. 8. Again, stand up on your own. Come back and chaturanga. Exhale down to the mat. Drop your body. Inhale. Look up to the sky. Shoulder strong. Go back. Exhale. To the mat. Spine open. Look down to the mat and breathe. Inhale. 1, strong breathing. 2, inhale. 3, exhale. 4, inhale. 5, exhale. 6, inhale. 7, strong shoulder. 8, inhale. 9, exhale. And 10, left leg in front. Hands open. And right hand to the left leg. And left hand open. Look to the sky. Open your shoulder. Open your straight hand. And look up to the hand raise. 1, inhale. Shoulder strong. 2, chest open. More. Fine. Open. Look to the hand. 4, very good. Straight hand. 5, exhale. 6, chest open. 7, exhale. And 8. Look in front again. Put drop down and back leg. And catch on the leg. And open your spine and look in front. Strong breathing. Abdomen tight. Inhale. Focus. 1. Strong breathing. 2. Look straight. Inhale. 3. Abdomen tight. 4. Inhale. 5. Exhale. 6. Chest open. 7. Exhale. And 8. Slowly come down. Catch all the leg and slowly reach down and look up to the sky. Open your shoulder. Open your chest. Inhale. 1. Strong breathing. 2. Look to the hand. 3. Open your back. Stretch your spine. Look up. 4. 5. Inhale. 6. Open your spine. 7. Look up. Exhale. 8. And release. Again. Back leg up again. Again back leg up. And 3, 4. Stand strong. Inhale. And hand stretch. Look up to the sky. Focus everyone. Inhale. 1. Strong breathing. 2. Hand straight. 3. Exhale. 4. Very good. Focus the leg. 5. Exhale. 6. And slowly come down. Slowly. 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 And touch your head. Go down again. Inhale. 1. Strong breathing. 2. Take full energy in your body from the morning practice. 3. Exhale. 4. Inhale. 5. Exhale. 6. Inhale. 7. Exhale. 8. Slowly come back on your own. Chaturanga. Go back. Exhale down. Look straight. In front. Shoulder open. Look up. Touch your heel. Go back. Exhale down. And crow. Hands are strong. Legs are strong. Just take your hand and come for a crow position. Hands stronger. And open your back. Look up. Or just keep your legs strong. Open your chest. Look in front. One leg up. Other leg up. And breathe. Open your full back. Open your full chest. Look in front. And inhale. 1. Strong breathing. 2. Exhale. 3. Open your chest. 4. Inhale. 5. Body strong. 6. Inhale. 7. Exhale. And 8. Headstand from here. Can anyone? No? No? Or yes? Or yes or no? No? Really? I will show you the technique. See? Okay, see here, you go into crow and you keep the head strong and just take your head down and push your legs. I can help you if you want. You can help yourself. Strong breathing. Abdomen tight. Legs straight. Look up to the sky. Inhale. 1. Strong breathing. 2. Head straight. Very good. 3. Shoulder strong. 4. Hand strong. 5. Exhale. 6. Inhale. 7. Shoulder open. 8. Inhale. 9. Last exhale. And 10. Back in crow. Back in crow. From headstand to crow. From headstand, you go back in crow. Again, push your legs straight and bend your knees and take your legs straight and look in front and inhale and open chest. Easy peasy. Try. One, 2, lock your leg ever back. See? 3, toes up into your abdomen. See? You're doing like this. You're leaving the leg down, but toes up. Push the toes up. Yes. Focus.
是小鱼咬人呢？
Yes, yes. Slowly, 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 slowly. Very good. Focus. One. Focus. Two. Focus. Three. Abdomen tight. Focus. Four. Inhale. Five. Focus. Six. Focus. Seven. Focus.
你看
Eight.
这样大概是直的，是吧？
Nine. And
你往下
exhale.
打到这儿，然后再收，然后再打，对吧？
Okay, sit down.
练习。
To the mat. And catch hold of your toes
你现在就要游这个，
and
你现在嘛都不会，你随便游啊。
back straight, body strong. Look up to the sky. Everyone, your head should go up. Your legs should go up and your head should go up. Inhale, look up. Two, shoulder strong. Three, hand strong. Four, inhale. Five, shoulder tight. Six, focus, focus. Seven, inhale, exhale, and eight. Open the legs apart. Again, tight abdomen. Abdomen should go tight and legs go down. Inhale. One, focus the leg. Two, shoulder open. Three, thank you, exhale. Four, inhale. Five, exhale. Six, inhale. Seven, exhale. Eight, strong breathing. Nine, exhale. And 10. Legs together. Open your hands. Inhale and exhale. Go down. Touch your head to the knee. Everyone, focus the legs. Look down into the knee. Head down. Stretch your butt. Everyone, strong spine, strong abdomen. Abdomen tight. Look to the knee. Strong breathing. Abdomen tight. Inhale. One. Strong breathing. Two. Inhale. Three. Exhale. Four. Inhale. Five. Strong breathing. Six. Inhale. Seven. Exhale. Eight. Strong breathing. Nine. Exhale. 10. Release. 11. Inhale. 12. Keep going now. 13. And strong breathing. 14. Exhale. 15. Inhale. 16. Strong breathing. 17. Inhale. 18. Body. 19. Inhale. 20. Exhale. Last two breaths. 21. 22. Exhale. Head drop down. 23. 24. Exhale. 25. Inhale. 26. Exhale. 27. Inhale. 28. Exhale. 29. Inhale. Come up. Hands back. Again, focus the pose. Hands are back. Legs are strong. Down from here. Catch hold the left leg with right
下
hand.
面一会儿起来，一会儿先来回，不用憋很久，
Left leg, right
不能
hand.
一直在上面，你懂吗？
Inhale. One. Strong breathing. Two. Abdomen tight. Three. Very good. Look up, look up. Exhale. Four. Five. Inhale. Six. Exhale. Change your leg. Again, no power needed. Just the balance needed. Inhale. One. Shoulder strong. Two. Leg open. Three. Chest open. Four. Straight hand. Five. Focus. Exhale. Cobra. Go back. Into the cobra pose. Inhale and exhale. Body strong, hands strong. And breathe in, breathe out. Deeply and slowly. Focus the breathing, focus the body. Take your hands strong, legs strong. Inhale. Head up, chest up, spine open. Look up to the sky. Open your body. Cobra. Inhale. 1. Look up. 2. Strong shoulder. 3. Arch your back, look up. 4. Inhale. 5. Open your back, look up. 6. Inhale. 7. Straight hands. Exhale. 8. Inhale. 9. Look up more. Exhale. And slowly come down. Hold on. Last 2 poses. No, come down to the mat. Lie down. Relax. Relax for a while. Deeply inhale. Deeply exhale. Deeply inhale. Deeply exhale. Deeply inhale. Deeply exhale. Now bend your knee, catch hold of your legs. Bend your both knees, catch hold of your both legs. Now inhale, deeply. Exhale, deeply. Inhale, deeply. Exhale, deeply. Now lift the head up, chest up, spine open, look to the sky. 1, inhale. 2, now shoulder strong, spine open. 3, hands straighter. 4, 5, inhale. 6, more chest open. 7, inhale. 8, your full spine. 9, inhale. 10, Caught EPS. Dog EPS, no? Caught EPS. Inhale, up. Open your chair. Exhale. Look down. Inhale. Look up, open your chair. Exhale. Look down. Inhale. Open your chair. Exhale. Look down. Inhale. Open your chair. Exhale. Look down. Inhale. Open your chair. Sit back in the child pose. Last asana of the day. Sit down, head down. Head down and completely sit down onto the mat. Strong breathing, abdomen strong. Look down. Strong breathing. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Focus the breathing, focus the breath, focus your poses. And last position, you can try what you want. What you want, try. Come up and stand up. Whatever you want, any pose of your favorite. Handstands, shoulder stand, any pose. Chakra. One, inhale, any pose. 2, exhale, any pose, whatever you like. 3, inhale. 4, body tight. 5, inhale. 6, exhale. Chest open. 7, 8, exhale. 9, inhale. 10, exhale. Now lie down on the mat and relax. Or sit down and meditate. Either sit down or either lie down. Keep your eyes closed and focus on your breath. Whatever you choose, either lying down, either sitting down, and body strong, shoulders strong. Just relax the you.